Fun, fun, fun. Here's a video to help wire this fucker back together. Red and black. Lots of fucking plugs. So I swapped over the circuit board because I previously swapped over the heating elements, defrosting elements and shit. So I've got to take this out. That's for the water tank that broke, probably because it got frozen. So I've got to replace this now and defrost everything, and hopefully with the new circuit board, everything else, I'm back in business. The cover was frozen around there, so this heating element got pulled out a bit. Defrosting element, heating element. Hopefully I can just defrost this now, plug in the new shit, and I'll be okay. Yeah, this got pulled out a bit, so just got to pop that back in. Fingers crossed. Okay, this time it's not draining down there. Previously it drained down there. That's started to corrode a bit. And we're getting built up around there. I don't know whether it's normal or whether there's like a suction air thing happening there I need to clog up. This was stuck in the ice. That got pulled out a bit, but hopefully everything is okay there. Just changed the computer controller. It turns on okay. There's just a little bit of liquid down there. I don't know where it's coming from. See, that's liquid there is above the pipe, and that seems to be dry. Maybe that liquid is coming down. You might just see a drop there. You can just see a drop there on that water line. So maybe it's just melting down through that water line there. Yeah, you can see that drop now.